Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For our video for today, I want to share with you one of the most trendy, viral, and I think one of the most awaited airdrop which is available almost all throughout the world, and it is called the Hamster Combat. Today I will show you how this Hamster Combat is working and will present to you the different ways to earn coins through Hamster Combat. So let's begin. Upon signing up, you will be redirected to this page on your Telegram account, and in the lower left corner of your screen at the bottom is you will see this play button. Just click that and you will be redirected to the logo or welcome logo of Hamster Combat token, and it says here that it will be launched on Ton, so we have to stay tuned for more info in their official channel. Okay, after that you will be redirected to the main screen of Hamster Combat, and here I accumulated possibly at least 4,000 coins, and this is the exchange that has started working for any users. And just click thank you Bybit to bring those coins into your available coins. So here you can see the energy available, and that is 7,500, and the boost button right here. Actually, one of the easiest way to earn coins here possibly is just by bringing this available 7,500 energy to your available coins. So how we can do that? We can do that by tapping this hamster here. You can use how many fingers available that you have so that you can bring these available coins to your coins as fast as you can. So I have an available of 439, and gotcha, we bring all these available balances here to this available balance here. So another way to earn here is by bring us to the boost. So let's click boost, and here you can see the free daily boosters, and we have available 6 of 6 available boosters here, and the multi-tap and energy limit. So as you can see here, you can buy at least additional 1 coin for a multi-tap. This multi-tap is available in earning or bringing the available coins in our energy to our available coins in our main balance or main coins. So it is upgrading, and I have a level 6 here, and the energy limit, which is 7,500, as you can see earlier, is when we upgraded the level of this, we can buy that for 256,000. So it is up to you if you're going to level this up, but it is always recommended to level this up to increase the capacity of the available limit in the main dashboard. So how this full energy is working, so just click full energy and click go ahead, and instantly, as you can see here, is I already have 7,000 available balance here, and I have a available plus 11 upon tapping, and this is the capacity of our energy level. So that is how boost is working. At the same time is we have here a daily reward. So I will present to you how this daily reward is working. So we have available here the Hamster YouTube, the daily task, and you can join the official Telegram account of Hamster Combat. You can follow them in their X account and choose your exchange, and you can invite friends here, and if you invite 3 friends, you will accumulate at least 25,000 coins. So how does Hamster YouTube is working? So just click daily hamster news, and if you click this button, the watch YouTube, is you will be redirected to watch YouTube So what you will do here is you're going to watch this video, and after you watch the video, make it sure that you finish this video. So let us take, for example, or let us just so let us assume that you already finished this video. What you're going to do is you're going back to your Hamster Combat account and just click check. Okay, so as you can see, the notification is success, so there is an additional 100,000 coins available to us. And the next thing is here in our daily reward. So click daily reward. So there is available at least 6,649,000 here in daily reward. So I'm on my 10th day using Hamster Combat, and there is an increase of coins given every day that you sign in here in the daily reward in the Hamster Combat. So what are we going to do now is we have an available bonus of 5 million in the 10th day of our signing in, so or logging in. So what we're going to do is just click claim, and this will give us an additional 5 million on our available coins. So as you can see here is I have already 17,473,766 available coins in my Bybit account. So another thing is you can click mine. So here in mine is you are guessing or cracking the available combo every day, and the available combo is given 5 million if you guess it right. So I will be posting the available combo in our description box below, so that you can easily find this combination, so that you can have an additional 5 million. So I will not do it right now because it will take so much time, but my suggestion here is you're going to upgrade every one of these available PRN team, the markets, the legal, the special, and you have here your cards and even the new cards. So these are used as you are upgrading the level of this. Just for example, I will upgrade this staking, and you can see an available profit per hour here. So if I'm going to upgrade this one, it will cost me 3,859. So click go ahead, and then it will be credited here. So as you can see, there is an additional profit per hour here. And what does it do is, even though you are not opening your Hamster account, is you are accumulating coins. So there's a lot of Hamster Combat users that are upgrading this profit per hour so they can accumulate a bigger and huge amount of coins here in Hamster Combat. And another thing is that when you upgrade one of these, is you're going to unlock another lock function or markets here. So that is how important this is in upgrading these markets, legal, and specials, as well as the PR team. Okay, so this is how this daily combo is working. So another thing is we can invite our friends here. So it is very important that you're going to invite your friends, because here, in order for us to unlock some of the basics of daily combo, there are some another combinations that requires invitation of friends. Like for example is, let's go to this part, the legal. So here you can see the license key, invite plus one more friend. You cannot use license key unless you invite a friend. So you are free to comment your referral code on the comment box below. I will be opening that for you so that this channel can help you to invite friends. And another example is here in markets. Another example is you need to invite more friends in order to unlock another function of this. Okay, so that's how important this is. So look at this: invite plus one more friend, and another is working that way. So invite one more friends here. So it's very important to invite friends. So how you're going to invite a friend? So just copy this one, or invite. So how you're going to invite a friend? Just click this copy button, and you will be able to copy your link here. So this earn button, which we used earlier. So once again, this mind. And another thing about friends is we can see here the more bonuses. Our level is also has the bonus for friend and premium here. So last ways to earn here is by decoding the Daily Cipher. Okay, so the Daily Cipher is giving us at least 1 million coins additional to our available coins here. So I will be posting the update for Daily Cipher here, and as of today, June 28, our available or word for our Daily Cipher is stable. So how are we going to do that? So just click this one, Daily Cipher, and you will be redirected to this page. And you know how the cipher is working. It is by means of dot and dash. So example, the word is stable, so you're going to click dot for S, dash for T, dash for letter A, and dash for B, dash, okay, dot for letter S, dash for letter D, dash for letter A, dash for letter B, dash for letter L, and dot for letter E. So you got it. So now what we're going to do is to take the price, and then it will be added to our available coins. So I hope this video help us. So if there is something that I forgot to bring in, just comment down on the comment below. Once again, I will be posting the daily combo and the daily cipher. I will update this this description box every day so that you can find the code as well as the daily combo every day. So I hope this video helped you, and hope to see you on my next video.